How to make money online for broke beginners in 2022. That's right, if you have no money, you can make money online. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I get questions all the time asking me, what are some free ways to earn income online? And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, I make money online every single day, and this particular method helps me get started in my online journey some time ago, and it still works great today. So that's why I want to show you exactly how you can make money online with this particular method today. And the best part about this is completely free to do. And more importantly, you don't need your own audience. So with most methods online today, you need to have like a big following, or you need to have like a big website, or you need to have a big email list and stuff like that. Well, you can actually get started with this right now without having an audience. And that's one of the best parts about this particular method, because you don't need that big following so you can make the money. And more importantly, it's free, which everybody loves. Now, this is a very simple strategy to do. It's only a few simple steps, and I'm going to take you through everything step by step, and we're not going to miss anything. So make sure you actually watch this all the way to the end. It's a very simple strategy that anybody can understand, and anybody can get started doing this today. I'm going to show you how to set everything up, and you can see over my shoulder as I do it in this tutorial for you right now. Now let's get into this tutorial, but before we do that, we are still doing the giveaway for every single one of my courses. What you're going to do is find the emoji in this video, smash that like button when you find that emoji, comment what the emoji is down below, and we will pick a winner in the next video to get access to every single one of my products. And that is all of my courses, nothing missed out. You could potentially win access to every single one of those. So let's jump into this tutorial, and I'll show you exactly how you can make money online. Let's get started. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do is head over to Google and put in Google Sites, and then push enter. And then what you want to do then is click on Google Sites up here. Now, it depends if you're logged in or not, but if you're not logged in, you will probably have to create an account. Once you create an account, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And what we want to do is we want to create a new project. So this is like a free website that we can create. Now, there's lots of kind of templates that you can choose, and you can change these templates whenever you like. So it doesn't really matter what you choose now. I would recommend you don't start with the blank, because then you don't really have anything to work off. The one that I usually start with is called Project. Okay, and you just want to choose this template right here, and you can change a lot of things, and you can change heaps of stuff. Right now, what I'm going to do in this video right now is I'm going to leave this, and we're going to come back in a minute, and we're going to edit all this, and I'm going to show you kind of how to set this all up so it looks quite nice and clean. Okay, the next step you want to do is you want to head over to a website called Free PLR Article Directory. Now, what PLR means is it essentially means that you have the private label rights to these articles, so you can use them. So it says can be used in web content, can be used for backlinks, can be given away or sold, can be modified in any way. So essentially, you've got all of this content here that you can use online without any repercussions, right? It's free to use. And you've got all of these categories down here on the right. Okay, so you've got like dieting and eBay, all of these kind of categories, niches. Now, if I go down to the W section, weight loss, click on this one right here. So just to make sure that you understand, you can use these. These are called private label rights articles, completely free online. And this is called plr.com. You can just go to Google and search free PLR article directory. Scroll down to the weight loss section. Okay, in the weight loss section, it has all of these kind of articles here. So we've got eliminate negative thoughts and lose weight, the lowdown on diet comparison, close the gateway to obesity, all of these kind of weight loss articles. Okay, we've got weight loss tip 12, how starving your body can make you gain weight, all of these things. Now, what I'm going to do is I'll just click on the first one here. I've never clicked on this before, and you've got this article about how to lose weight. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this right here. So copy this, Command C on Mac. I've copied this right here. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to put in something called article. So go into Google and type article rewriter tool, and you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. Okay. It's got a lot of ads and stuff, but that's how they make money. And we're going to paste in this content, and this is the content here. Get rid of the spaces. This is the content here. Now what this does is this rewrites the content to make it unique again. Now you could just go and use the same content, but you want to rewrite it for the Google algorithm and things like that. So rewrite this content and go down here and do the capture. So I'll do that real quick. and go rewrite text, and you can put in words to ignore and things like that. Just go through it and have a look. Now, if we go down here, we have another version of it. So this is a different version, but essentially it's the same thing. Okay, so we can copy this and we're going to use this in a second, but I'm going to come back to this in a second and we're going to use this. What you want to do first is you want to go back here and you want to actually just give this a quick edit so we can get ready to put the content in. So for example, like you got project name up here and things like that. But first of all, you want to put an image here, like of fitness. So I've gone to pexels.com and I'm going to put in fitness. Okay. And I'm going to just like, I don't know, this one here. And you can download this for free. Okay. I'm going to go back to here and I'm going to click on this and go change image and upload the image. Okay. So now we have this image right here. Really, really awesome. And you can change the project name. I actually don't really like to have any text here. So I'm going to delete this text here. Okay. It's kind of pointless, really. And you can also do things like change the header types. You can change the banner. You can have a large banner, a small banner, text only, if you like. And then you can go down here and change some things. So essentially, this article was about eliminate negative thoughts and lose weight. So I'm going to just copy this right here. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to put something like, so I'll just put something like tips that eliminate negative thoughts and help. Now keep in mind that it really how it looks is depends on kind of what type of template you have and stuff like that. And then I'm going to go and put this in the middle by aligning it in the middle so it looks quite good. So that looks really, really good, right? And I'm going to just delete this down here and click back here. So now I have this nice header here, this nice thing here. And now what I want to do is I want to put in a text block. Okay, and I'm going to get rid of all of this stuff here because I don't need it. So just delete all of this stuff here. All right, so now we have a heading and we actually have a text section. So you can drag in a text section where we can put in some text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to here and I'm actually going to only copy half of this for now. So I'm going to copy half of this right here and I'm going to post it in here. And I'm going to get rid of the spaces here. So this is not going to be perfect. You're going to have to actually kind of go through and edit it, make sure it sounds proper and right. Then the next thing I want to do is I actually want to upload an image under here. So I'm going to go back to here and I'm just going to find like something to do with losing weight. Okay. It really just, I might just do this one here because it's a good shape. So I'm going to download this here and I'm going to go back to here and I'm going to go to image, upload image. And now I've uploaded this image here and I can kind of like change it around and stuff. And the reason why I put an image is just to make it look nice. So we're going to center this. Okay, so I just dragged it over there. The next thing is I want to put another text box in here. I want to go back to here and I want to copy the rest. Okay, so now we have all of this right text here. Crazy amount of text. You fix all this up. All right, so now we have this free website that we've just created really easily in like a few minutes. Now what we want to do is we want to head over to clickbank.com because we need to actually make some money and click on the sign up page. Once you've clicked on the sign up page and you've created your account, you now want to go to login and now log into your account. Once you're in ClickBank, you want to go to the marketplace. Now you can use ClickBank or you can also use another website called Digistore. And what I want to do is I want to go down to health and fitness. Once I'm on health and fitness, there's these products that we can actually promote for a commission. Okay, so there's ones that we can make $176, $137, $50, $112, $161, $137. So you can, there's all of these kind of products you can make money from, and you can just click on these. You can click on it here to, oh, that's view mobile. You can click on it here to see what the product is. Stuff your face, lose weight. So this is a weight loss product. And we can also go back and click on the affiliate page, and there's some information here that we can kind of see what it's about, how much of a commission we get. This is a CPA offer and all of this stuff. Okay. So you can check all this out. They've got all of this information. They've got banners that you can use, email swipes, landers, videos, everything that you can use. So you could actually use videos. You could use, they've actually got articles that you can use. They've got ebooks you can give away. All of the information here that you need. So this is a really, really good product. But we'll keep it simple for this video. What I want to do is click on promote. And I want to go generate hop link. and I want to get this link here and copy it. This is the affiliate link, okay? And so this product is called BioFit. Okay, go and check it out. And it's got 351 gravity, which means that people are making money from this right now. So what I want to do is I want to go back to here and I want to recommend this product. So I'm going to say, hey, looking to lose weight. Okay, now keep in mind, right, you're going to have to, do different call to actions. This is called a call to action. And then what you do is you highlight this and you go to the link up here and you paste in that link and click apply. So when people click this link, it will take them to that product and you could essentially make a commission. And then you can also do it down here. Check out this latest weight loss system. Okay. And you can also highlight it as well and click apply. And there we go. And now what you got to do is click publish, and you're gonna get this. So you can create what we call a web address. So I'm just gonna call it weight tips. Okay. So that's already been taken. I'll put weight tips 1. So weight tips 1, and this will be my actual website right here. Okay. So I'm going to copy this. Oh, actually, I can go publish here, but you can also do a custom domain. So I'm going to publish this. And I'm going to go to view, and this is it right here. And you've got a menu here that you can change and all that sort of stuff. Project name, you can change all of this. You can take it off. But now we have this site here that we can send traffic to, and if people click on this, they're going to get taken to that page, and we would get a commission if they purchased. So how do we actually go and send traffic to this particular page? All right, so people want the easiest way to get traffic usually, and that's completely free. So what you want to do is you want to go to a website called Cura.com. Now, I'm not saying you're going to make a lot of money from this traffic, okay? It's not like a traffic source is going to make you heaps of money, but it could make you a few sales. But if you actually keep doing this, it could actually generate you a weekly income. We do know people inside our courses and things like that that do make a weekly income from actually doing this, but it just depends on how much work you put in. You want to go to Cura.com, which is a free website. And what happens is go into the search results and put in lose weight. And people actually are searching every single day for things like, what are the best ways to lose weight? What are some easy tricks to lose weight? How do I lose weight without exercise? How can I lose weight quickly? And you can actually click on these. And what happens is it's people asking these questions, okay? And you can see that this person has replied here, this person has replied here, this person has replied here. But what you can actually do is, and here's another one here actually, and what you can do is you can click answer, okay? And when you click answer, you want to write things like actually do a really good, reply. Don't just spam. But what you can do is you can post the link to your website. So I'm going to post the link in here just to show you, add, and your website will show up. But what you can actually do is you can get rid of this and you can do a link again from words. So you can say, check out this article here. And then you can post your link. Now, don't spam. Like I said, you need to actually write good content, but that's what you can do. And that's how you can get traffic. And this is what all these people are doing. So, this is a good reply here. Look at this reply right here. So you want to actually give them tips on how to lose weight, but then link them like they have, link them to an article that can also help them. So this is a really good example right here. Healthy weight loss is 1 to 2 pounds per week. And then this is the link. And then down here is some more information. You have to put quite a bit of information because otherwise it won't work for you because they'll just think that you're spamming. But that's all you do. Go to Cura.com, find specific questions in your niche. There's questions in all sorts of niches, and then go and post your replies. All right, guys, so that's how you can make money online with affiliate marketing the lazy way. If you want more videos on how to make money online, I'll leave some up on the screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see one of the videos on the screen.